I think I was a huge mixture of a lot of emotions, mostly excitement. The money will be helpful in contributing to my education outside of SFUSD, but I think a lot of pride in myself and the work that I've done the past 4 years.
He fully deserves it. Alan is one of the most sort of community-minded people that I know.
I'm a third generation organizer. It's been instilled, in me to fight for what feels right. Right now I do mostly housing work, so fighting for deeply affordable housing in San Francisco. I think that I want any other young person who wants to live in San Francisco, any other family that wants to live in San Francisco to experience, SFUSD, to have the opportunity to do that and to be able to do that without worrying about, how they're going to afford rent.
He is always looking out for the people around him and cares a lot about the future of the different spaces he inhabits.
I love learning just in general. Star King and learning Mandarin there was the catalyst to my love for wanting to learn other languages, and I love that it's a way to connect with people.
I know that Alan will leave a positive mark on anyone he runs into contact with.
I learned very quickly that you can do almost anything that you want here. You just have to have the initiative to start it. My first year here, I started the GSA, and then also in 10th grade, I was able to start the Astronomy Club.
Alan is a fantastic student.
This is my second home, and I don't think that there's ever been a moment where I haven't felt like I have an adult that I can talk to. I love being here.
I really admire Alan's curiosity.
I also think that knowledge is power. Stuck between astrophysics and physics and neuroscience and psychology.
I think he's gotten more confident in his skills.
I think I would tell myself that everything is gonna be okay. You'll end up exactly where you need to be, surrounded by the people that you need to be surrounded by.